Employing basic critical thinking in Genesis, in the beginning it was darkness. Whenever a story, a case or an event is being told, the listener does not only enjoy or thrilled by the story. He would ask questions to clear the vague part of the event or shred further the most exciting part to enjoy the story. In a police investigation, for example, any case brought to their table will be entertained with numerous questioning by the investigator, more so when it reaches the court. Such questions involve the flow of the story, how it is started, and the motives of that action. Same thing can be employed in the study of Genesis. First things first. In the beginning it was darkness. As a listener, researcher, and an investigator, I would pose questions like, how come in the beginning it was darkness? These questions naturally came as in my catechesis it is emphasized that God is light, and light is the symbol of God. As an investigator, I would ask questions like, which one came first, God or darkness? Of course, the answer to this question is that God came first, and light was already there as his symbol. God and light are inseparable. Remember too that God is the same today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So what happened? Why in the beginning it was darkness? We should go back to the story timeline, what took place first, next, and then. We have watched movies, read novels wherein the first plot or chapter is the end or the middle of the story. Same thing might have happened in Genesis. In the beginning it was darkness may have been the start of another chapter of the story. The whole historical sequence of the story frame or timeline should reveal an explanation hereto illustrated. Creation of angels illustrates the oldest story in the scripture wherein in God's infinite space He created the angels. Included in this frame is how angels lives in perfect harmony with their Creator. Rebellion of angels illustrates the scenario in the space of God during the rebellion of angels with its leader, the most beautiful angel. The event described as, and there was darkness in heaven. It is in this event wherein darkness will be first recorded. Containing of the rebel angels illustrates the event wherein the loyal angels defended God's space and defeated the rebel angels. This event needs to be understood. When the loyal angels defeated the rebel angels, there was no killing of angels. But what actually happened is that the rebel angels were contained within the God's space. Dark matter is the space where creation or Genesis took place. In the beginning it was darkness. Creation of universe was done in 6 days. Adam and Eve was created. They live in paradise and there, bingo, they met the serpent, the leader of the rebel angels. More so, as a distinction between the two regions within God's space, the lighted will be named heaven, and the dark matter will be called universe or earth. Let's check it more with question and answer. Which one came first, light or darkness? Your answer would be darkness because in the beginning it was darkness. But which one came first, God or darkness? Of course, God came first before anything. If so, was there already light? Yes, because it was His symbol, and He was the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow, which means light came first before darkness. Another question, which one came first, the presence of light or the absence of light? Answer, the presence of light because God was there before anything else. God and light are inseparable.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. we can sit together. It's so beautiful.